Ready to take your taste buds to the next level? Introducing the 700E series from Z-Grills.
Hey, I'm Jim, and I'm here to talk about the next evolution in grilling.
The 700E series comes fully equipped with a large 20-pound hopper, a durable stainless steel lid, and a compartment to store all your barbecue essentials. To get started, simply plug it in, fill in the hopper with the wood pellet of your choice, and set it to your desired temperature. The ultimate 7-in-1 barbecue smoker grill can bake, roast, braise, smoke, barbecue, grill, and sear your food to perfection. The 700E series is larger than most other models, and it sits on top of a larger storage unit than similar sized models. Cleaning is a breeze. The grease flows from the grill into the drip bucket, which can be reused for gravy, or you can simply dispose of it. The Z-Grill 700E is perfect for any occasion or event. Buy one today and unleash your inner grill master.